Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by preparing your Samsung phone before subscribing to YouTube Premium. Confirm your device runs Android 9 or later and has stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the YouTube app from your home screen or app drawer and update it if needed. Sign in using the Google account you want to attach to the subscription. Check that your Google account has an active payment method set up for purchases. Now subscribe inside the YouTube app with clear steps and confirmations. Tap your profile icon at the top right and select Get YouTube Premium from the menu. Review the available plans and choose the individual, family, or student option that fits your needs. If eligible, select the 1-month free trial to start without immediate charges. Follow the prompts to enter payment details and confirm the purchase with your Google account. After subscribing, you can immediately enjoy the main YouTube Premium benefits. Ad-free playback removes video ads and enables background play while you use other apps. You can also download videos for offline viewing by tapping the download icon and choosing video quality. To manage or cancel your subscription, open Google Play, go to Subscriptions, and select YouTube Premium. Cancel before the next billing date to stop future charges while keeping access until period end.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.